Alright, today we're going to take out the skid steer with the Blue Diamond on a new project. Beautiful day. Oh yeah, some 80s going on here. It's a beautiful day today. We're heading over to this farm. It's actually not very far from ours at all, so it's an easy ride. I'm reading 58 degrees right now. It's sunny, and I can't wait to see our food plots because we got an all-night soaker 3 nights ago. So looking good. Let's go have another adventure for today. I'm following Curtis. I've never been to this property. See what we got in store. Look at these beautiful rolling hills down here. Best kept secret in Illinois, that's for sure. Although there is at least one politician that was trying to get us to secede, you know, the southern half of Illinois to cut away from the northern half. That would really be pretty sweet, but don't think it's gonna happen.
Make a camping spot on top of this hill. Or pull maybe a camper back here and
okay. I mean, there's a couple of bigger trees there, but I could zip that clean and lickety split.
just maybe we could make, you know, maybe at least 1 or 2 passes in areas where we could right here.
Yep. All right, so we've improvised and marked the spot with a Walmart bag. We've got, this is going to be a new opening, a new like a camping spot, a setup for Curtis, right?
I'm pumped.
I bet this is fun stuff right here.
About ready to close on this property and get it to be 101 acres. It's all basically, as you see here, this super thick.
Nice.
I mean, superb bedding area for whitetails. We get back here and get some trails made and food plots opened up. It's just gonna improvement right here. Want to make a camping spot to pull a camper in or a rock pad and be nice and secluded to have deer camp.
Beautiful. I just had to fix my camera.
Oh, okay.
I I'll try to cut this way so I ain't, because if you're out in front of it, it's supposed to be 300 feet. Because it shoots. Hate to have you get whacked. That almost looks like I have some fun.
Alright. Man, nice. That's the most exciting I've been in a while.
Okay, so I neglected to get a good after shot, but here you can kind of see the front and rear cameras on the Bobcat. This clearing turned out pretty nice. I think I'm going to go back and make it a little bit bigger, but stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 of this little mini series as we kick off the projects on Curtis's new property. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks a lot.